guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Red Iguana practice hand from April Ryan. I purchased this hand so I could practice at home on my gel and acrylic application and my gel polish application. I got the hand that is totally moldable. There's another hand that's not moldable. There's actually, you can purchase just a finger. You can purchase a half hand that looks about like that. But I like the whole hand because I can sit it up on my desk and show off some new artwork or show off new shapes that I am practicing or anything like that. I can actually take pictures and make it look like an actual real hand and nobody would even know. It looks pretty real. It's got the finger wrinkles, knuckle wrinkles, got wrinkles in there. It's pretty crazy realistic. My favorite thing about this hand is that it actually has cuticles and sidewalls so that I can really practice my cuticle application, and that has gotten so much better. These tips are actually replaceable. You can just soak them off just like you would a real client and then glue in some new ones, just like, well, not on a real client, but you know what I mean. You soak them off, you put some new ones in there, and you start a whole new project and a whole new set of nails. This is my favorite practice hand. I've got a couple, but at the moment I really like this one. It's the newest one from April Ryan. I think this was a really good purchase, and I think it's really helped me progress in my skills a lot. I like that I can hold it just like I would a real client, and I can move the finger around just like I would a real client to side when I'm using my e-file or filing or doing my application. Anything I need to do like that, just move the fingers anywhere I need them to be or out of the way, anything like that. You can wash it with soap and water to get the dust off, because it does the dust tends to stick to it because it is silicone. So that's the only downfall I would say about it, but it's real easy to clean with soap and water, so that's not really a downfall to me. And so that would be my review of this hand, is that it's totally worth it. I would purchase another one. I seen on Selena Ryden's video that she has several of them just to show off different designs that she's done, and I think that's an excellent idea, to show off different designs and different techniques that you can do, just so you give a client a more hands-on feel of what things are going to look like. And so I just think it's great. And so if you were thinking about getting one, I would say go ahead and do it, because this is awesome. It's really helped me, and I think it could help you too. Like I said, this is the posable one. They have one that's not posable, that just kind of sits there and you gotta hold it more, I guess you'd say. This one completely posable to do whatever you need it to do, to look even creepier, whatever you like. Thank you guys.